lead capture page mastery training for Power Lead System. What's going on, guys? Korey Niese today. Korey Niese here. It's a great time to do a video. Sun hasn't even rose yet, technically. 6:29 time in Ohio. That's where I'm at. So anyway, let's get right into the training today. So this is for anyone in Power Lead System, people looking at joining Power Lead System, people on my team, anyone trying to generate leads in general. You know, maybe you don't have an intention of buying a system like Power Lead System today, but you want to learn how to generate leads with lead capture pages and just kind of getting some science and some tech behind it. This video is for you. So I'm inside my back office. I'm going to hover down a capture page and make a copy. I'm going to start just creating capture pages and showing you guys on the fly how this is done, how it's done. All right, let's go with this one. You know what? I don't know, lead capture. LC stands for lead capture 9. So I'm going to go as quick as I can today, obviously. And if you need to watch this faster, go in the bottom right-hand corner. Go in the bottom right-hand corner and click on ×2. ×2, because I know this video is longer. It's probably longer than most I do. All right, click on ×2 to see it. So I'm just gonna leave that that way. So any page you get with Power Lead System, whether it's lead capture, any kind of page, sales page, you can title it, and this is going to show up in the admin area under web pages. All right, so I'm going to go through this stuff kind of fast, all right, because I want to get through as many templates as I can. So I'm just going to put in first, let's see, actually no, lead capture number 1 example. And these are all going to be examples, all right? They're not going to be set up funnels. So I'm going to hit Save Changes. I'm going to move to the background. It's white. You know what? I might just leave that the same because I don't know what this page even looks like. Okay, so first page. Get red hot leads in 24 hours or less. Need fresh leads. New push button system spits out 67 leads daily. So, you know, you can change this up if you want. You can change the coloring there if you want. Obviously, it's red. Maybe you wanted to make it navy or blue or something. Actually, okay, it didn't quite do that there. So this might be a text. See, like a text issue where you have to go into the code. But normally you can do that where you can just change the text on the page real easily. Let's see here. This is an example of lead capture number 7. Maybe I wanted to change that to like 23 leads daily or something. You know, put in your real result, whatever. Click save, and I'll show you guys what this is going to look like. Lead capture 1. So that's for, you know, lead capture number 9. All right. So if you want more lead capture pages, I'll show you where to go. You click websites. Click websites. All right. Pay attention. Click websites. Then upper right hand corner, click here for more choices where you see, click that. So these are going to be the capture pages that you're probably going to use most of the time with Power Lead System. My personal favorite is lead capture 2. It's just simple to use and it has worked really well. I'll show you an example of that. I've made a few variations of this page with lead capture 2 and I've generated hundreds of leads. I've made a lot of course sales with this. I've drawn in new clients with this and a lot of new clients over the years since end of 2017. So this is a real life example. Let's go back and try to edit that. So let's do lead capture 2. So anytime I want to edit a lead capture page, I always want to go to copy web pages, right? So the way you get there in the new menu, pretty similar, websites, under web pages tab, and then click copy. I know it looks kind of confusing. There's a lot of stuff in here. Just click copy web pages. Just stay with me, all right? Just focus for 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes max, and just learn, you know, a new skill and just keep getting better each and every day. And this system in your business is gonna start to get easier. So, all right, scroll down. I'm gonna use lead capture 2 because, like I said, love this page. Love it, love it, love it. Make me a copy. All right. I'm going to leave that all same basically for illustration purposes to go as fast as I can. I'm going to put in lead capture 2 example. I'm going to scroll down. Now, if you want to hook up an email autoresponder, you can do that by checking that box. I'm just going to put in something real quick. Maybe I want to promote lead lightning and my primary business. So that email campaign would promote lead lightning in your primary business, just as it says. And I will get to that later in the video if you're not sure what that means. Save changes. Always click Save Changes at the bottom. Let's change the background on this one because I know for sure you can change it and make it look kind of nice. Maybe we're promoting a money program. Make money online, get paid today. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go with that background. I've used that before, in fact, I think. So, the page, click it to edit it. Use your tab, your cursor, whatever, scroll down. Get to the text, there you go. So maybe I wanted to make this more. This is basically just like a fake countdown timer. You can remove that if you want, like I always say, or you can use it. It's kind of totally up to you what you think about timers and things like that. But it is built in. All you got to do is delete it by doing that. I'm just going to leave it for this purpose, for this one. So let's see here. Let me show you how to explode your online income using nothing but a simple automated system. Maybe I wanted to leave it just like that. Take out the rest, make it a shorter headline. But maybe I wanted to make it the different color like I tried to show you in the last video. All right. You know, maybe your color theme is kind of like orange for your brand or something. Maybe I want to make it orange. And then maybe I want to take out these quotes. I don't know. You can edit it however you want. However you want. I think you could probably even change that button in there, but I'm not going to mess with it just in case it messes the page up. So every page is a little bit different. There you go. There's a lead capture for promoting an online business opportunity. You can also put in moving video backgrounds, custom video backgrounds. Now those only play, let me flip. Those moving video backgrounds only play on desktop. So I don't really use them because today's traffic is mainly mobile. So not really worth it for me necessarily, but it might be worth it for you. So we got lead capture 3. That's what that template looks like. Let's click here and just show you an example. There you go. There's lead capture 3. Here's lead capture 4. Maybe you're into protein, right? There's a quick example you can use. All right. There's 5. That's one of the default pages. 6, 7, 8. So this one's pretty good too, I think. Again, it's kind of got like the little it's got the little countdown timer where it says it will you know, it will expire. Not really. You just hit you just refresh or whatever. I mean, technically it doesn't go away, but it just automatically pulls up the current date and the time of wherever that person is in the world. So if you like that, you can use that template. Here's lead capture 7. So you know what? I swear, I think they've changed. They've recently gone in here and they've changed a lot of these, I believe a lot of these templates for these capture pages, or some of them. How to cure your cat's bad behavior. That's adorable. Yeah, there's an example of, the moving video background with the cats. That's pretty funny. You know what? I was gonna say I think they've changed some of these examples. They've gone in here and actually kind of updated them, which is pretty cool. Let's see here. That one's for like weight loss. Another one like a weight loss program. Let's go down. Let's see what this one turned out to be. Need a vacation, discover. Okay, I've seen that before. Or maybe it's because I don't know if I've ever actually clicked some of the examples for these pages, but like they look kind of clean. They look pretty good to me. They definitely work. That's the main thing, is if it works, it works. That's all that matters. There you go. Here's another example. Let's start building some of these then. So you can put in a video, you can put in custom backgrounds, You can put in a moving video background. You can put in your own custom image. So let's see here. Watch this video, discover how to use Google Hangouts to sell digital products. So I've used this one before too. You know what? Let's go with like lead capture. I don't know. Let's go with lead capture 11. So I'm going to go back. I like the old menu. So this is the old menu. So I'm going to go back to web pages, copy. I'm going to scroll down until I find LC11. That's what it stands for. Get a little drink of that coffee. All right, so lead capture 10, lead capture 11. Now, if you want to get more leads, ask for email only. If you want to get higher quality leads, ask for more information, including phone. So if you plan on calling your leads, like you really have to call your leads, then put in the phone field so you can actually hit their number up. Now, not all the phone numbers are going to be real. Sometimes people are going to put in fake emails, fake names, fake phone numbers, and it's just part of this industry. It's just part of the business. So you got to just kind of deal with it. But for this purpose, let's go with name and email, and then maybe we'll do all three on the next. So I'm going to scroll all the way down really quickly, make me a copy. And again, at any time through this video, you can click the link below. Copy, and leave that same. You can click the link below. Let's see. Let's go with same deal. So I'll put in lead capture 3. And I made a few videos the other day that show custom capture pages for specific network marketing companies. So I don't know. Maybe I want to make. Let's see here. I don't know. Maybe I like something old school. And there you go. I'm like doing some kind of a show. I don't know. Free video. Free video. Events. Event reveals. I don't know. I'm making this up on the fly. How to get a fortune. I don't know. For your vintage cars or something like that. Like maybe you're in that space. I mean, you can use pages online for anything. Anything you want. Maybe it's like event reveals how to get a fortune or how to sell, I don't know, for your vintage cars. And then you click save changes and we check this page out. You know, every new page, okay, that didn't work. I don't know what the deal is with that. Okay, I'm going to go back and change that. But lead capture 3, you got the car in the background. So maybe not the best background for this one because it's like bigger and white. Like I said, every video, every capture page is a little bit different. This box is smaller and it's see-through. This box takes up like a third of the page or over half the page it looks like. So I'm going to go back and try to fix that. But if I can't, I'm just going to move on quickly. That's been my rule of thumb is like if I can't fix it very quickly, I just kind of move on because there's always another. Yeah, so I don't know why that didn't even work. I mean, that's the way the template is. Not sure what the deal is with that, but let's see. Save changes. Okay, that was just a total mess up. So not sure what happened there, but let's just go back. You know what? Let's try that again. Maybe I want to just leave the background. Maybe it was the background that messed it up. Sometimes that happens. If you change the background or if you remove a video, it changes like the code somehow. I don't know. I'm not tech savvy. Let's do that again though. Lead capture. Let's ask for email only. This is lead capture 11. This is lead capture 11. Remember, so it's going to be this page right here. This one. We're customizing that one. So there you go. So that looks pretty clean. That's a clean example, the moving video background of how it is supposed to look. A lot nicer. Okay, so hit make me a copy, saying I want to go in here and do lead capture 3A. I'll put 3A. So every new domain you get, you can point it to, you know, a different page. I'm just going to leave the background the same. Click submit. Just going to leave the text all the same. Hopefully that button works. Okay, there you go. So I guess with this one, you really would rather, you want to leave the background the same. But you can go in and change the fields. You can change the copy up here. You can change the, you know, the color, all that stuff. Let's go with, let's do one of the original website templates. So in the back office section here, scroll down. These are some of the regular templates they give you, which I do believe most of these look like they'd be mobile responsive. Now you want to test every single one of these out, but I don't know. Let's use this one. Let's go with name, email, and phone, POS, lead capture 4. So these are naturally supposed to help you promote Power Lead System, but you can use them for anything that you want. Scroll down, make me a choice, save my choice. All right, so you know, you can hook up a lead capture page to a sales page, but this isn't the section that I wanted it to go to. So I want to actually make a copy. So I need to go in and click copy instead of just click websites. So anytime you click copy, it's going to bring up a different text, so I can copy the page instead. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, here's the original templates again. You can see some of these look like the ones over in the extra section. So this is a section they give you that's extra, and they give you even a lot more. So make sure you stay and watch this video to the end. Watch the whole video. So these are any lead capture page, any company lead capture pages. Here's Power Lead System. So I'm going to scroll and make me a copy, and hopefully it works this time. It should work. Click make me a copy. There you go. This is what I'm always looking for, is kind of the guts, the inside of the page here. Again, I'm going to create a subdomain on the fly. I'm going to go in here and put in lead capture 4. Remove that A. All right, click Save Changes. Move quickly here. So if I want that background, I can just keep it, but I want to change it. I want to put in something. Let's go with travel. You know, maybe we want to do a travel theme. New 100% commission program. Let's do this, like new. Actually, maybe it's like this: travel worldwide. Travel worldwide program going viral. Make over $227, whatever. Maybe I want to change that color. Hopefully I can change the color pretty easily. There you go. So this time that works. So I want to make it that color, blue. I don't think, maybe I want to make it like darker. Maybe I want to leave it red. I don't know. Just showing you that you can change any kind of color out. Maybe I just want to make it white, or actually green, where it really stands out. Boom, make over $227 daily with push button system. Let's go with like push button program to keep it aligned. Or change the lives, so you can change all this text. And scroll down. So usually I would leave the buttons the same. Again, it depends on what page you're using. All right, so click Save Changes, and this is going to go to lead capture for example. So if you're in a travel company, you can set something up like that. I think you can change the button on this one too, probably. A lot of times I think I leave them the same, the buttons the same on the lead capture pages. But let's go to the bonus section. We have a Power VIP club that you can log into a separate area. It's all part of Power Lead System. So this section of the training is like tons of extra templates if you're looking for more. If you need more lead capture templates, our tech guy, Brian Bracken, has put together this training. So I'm going to log in. I'm always going to click on like share codes, PLS share codes. So if you sign up as a member by clicking the link below, that's where to go. It's like click Power Lead System, share codes. Any one of these codes you see, you can paste that right into your back office. So these are some examples. Have a cell phone. Maybe I wanted to do that one. All right. Maybe I'm into crypto. Maybe I want to do that one. I've used this one before here, the key. Maybe like this one. Now, some of these won't be as easy to edit because of like the code. It's like hard coded. You'd have to go into the source code for some of these. Maybe I like that one. You know what? I kind of like that one. I like this one. This one looks kind of cool. So I'm going to grab this code, and I don't think I've ever used it before too, so it should work out great. So you grab the code that you like, go to Account, and My Sharing Codes. Now, if you're in the new menu, I got your back too. Go to Account, go to My Business, and then click, actually, no, I did it wrong. You want to go to Account, and then you want to find Sharing Code somewhere. It's probably in the Websites section. Let's see. There you go. It's under Miscellaneous. Click My Sharing Codes. All right, then click Submit, and this should be added. So that code is just added into the system that easily to use that page I wanted to use. Now I just got to look for that code, 1780 8398, I think. So then I'm going to go into Websites, and actually I'm going to click Copy because I want to make a copy of that website so I can edit it however I please. And then usually it's going to show up under Share Choices. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to move it faster because I got a lot of templates. Your back office will not look like mine because I've added so many templates and made so many pages. I've used Power Lead System for 3 years. I'm going to scroll down until I can find that. Let's see. VI lead capture. Let's see. What was the name of that lead capture? Lead capture 19. So it might show up as lead capture 19 for VIP. So I might want to scroll up. Okay, nope. I'm going to scroll down. Scroll down. You can see the other ones I've added. VIP lead capture 35. VIP lead capture 11. Okay, so sometimes you got to be patient. You might want to skip past this part since I'm trying to find it. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? You can hear the rain outside. It's raining this morning. All right. There's lead capture 19. I'm not seeing it in there. Normally it's supposed to be in there. Let's see, websites you created. That's weird. Sometimes it takes time. I mean, you know, sometimes it takes time to find it. Sometimes you're going to mess up. I really want to edit that page. I'm not finding it right now. So these are lead capture 6. I'm going to have to scroll through the whole thing. Lead capture 7, lead capture 8, 9. Okay, so you can create mini sites. You can create mini sites with PLS. Special Hangouts, third page. You can create custom Hangout pages. Power Blog sales page. Let's see. I think it was number 19, ticket intro. Weird. Not going to give up. I'm going to keep looking for it till we get this. Huh. Interesting. So let's look at what was number 11. Because I can find number 11, but I can't find 19 for some reason. Okay, so that one was 11. I know this one here with the yellow background it's a little bit harder to customize. I'm gonna have to move on from this really quickly. It's unfortunate it's not showing up there for some reason. I'm going to try a different one. I'm just going to try a different one. So let's see, lead capture. Let's go with like VIP lead capture number 5. Maybe this will work this time. So scroll up to my sharing codes, and then you want to paste it in there, and it should pull up and work really easily. Yeah, it says right there. I mean, maybe I can try it that way. There I just added that code. So it says manage, view. Where is it? VIP lead capture. I don't know, maybe you're not allowed to use that one or something. I don't know what the deal is, but anyway. Anyway, let's go up here and make a copy of the other template. Okay, let's make a copy of the other one. So it's VIP lead capture number 5. There you go. So I'm looking for VIP lead capture 11, VIP lead capture 5. I don't know why that one page isn't in there. Bugging me. Let's go with name and email. Let's see how this one turns out, because I'm doing this on the fly. I've never done this one before, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to modify. I'm going to leave it all the same. I'm going to do lead capture example 5, obviously, and that works good for this template. I'm going to go click Save Changes. I'm going to leave the background the same just in case it messes it up. So I'm just going to leave that the same there. I'm going to go Edit Text. Let's see here. Yeah, so this one looks a little bit different. Get your VIP pass. Is that the one? Let me look here. Yeah, okay. So you can see these are a little more advanced, a little more kind of the design is a little bit with the times, looks a little better. But I guess you just edit it by going in here. And I want to change that to like $500 per month in like 90 days, something like that. Click Save Changes. So you can view that, and you can use you can use this as a lead capture page right there. Let's see if we can like change the background on that. I'm curious. And like what I'm doing, you guys can do this too. So I'm gonna go in here to web pages. This is the one we just made. All right. This is that page. This page is that page. I'm gonna click a copy. I'm gonna make a copy of it, and I'm just gonna try to edit the background. Literally, I'm just gonna edit the background. So I'll go in here and click subdomain. So you can make an unlimited amount of subdomains. I'm gonna make it like 5A. And click Save Changes. So you can test and tweak different ones. Maybe I want to make it like, I don't know. Maybe I want to make it like this background or something. Snowy, or the fall or the forest, whatever. All right, I'm gonna view that. There you go. So if you want to change the background out, pretty easy to do that. That picture's there. You can change the text, obviously. There you go. Get my pass. So you can change out the buttons usually too for most of the pages. Now I usually leave them the same because sometimes if you click in this area, it messes the whole thing up. But there, if you want to change the button, all you gotta do is click the button here. Sometimes you don't want to do it because it's gonna mess your page up. But if you want to know the tech savviness, now with this one too, you probably want to leave the button the same, but just for illustration purposes, you can change the button, you can change the button size, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, right? You can make it whatever size you want. Then you hit OK. You hit OK. Now that button is going to be different. All right, so if I hit refresh, now that button's different. So you can change the buttons for most of these too. So you can use any of these templates as well. Any one of these templates. You can customize them. You can edit them. So any of these that you like. Let's go with like lead capture. Let's do the lead capture 1, 2 on back here. Let's put that in there if you're promoting like an ebook or something. Let's go. I'm going to go sharing codes. I'm going to hit submit, and I'll find out where that one. I'll find that one eventually, the ticket intro. I'll find that. I wonder if it's named differently and I'm just missing it. That's what it might be. It might just be named differently. It might be named under Brian Bracken or something like that, or Neil Guest maybe. I'm not sure. All right, we're going to scroll all the way down. The VIPs usually are under the mobile responsive pages. They all should be mobile responsive, and I think they all are. So I'm scroll down, scroll down. So you can see VIP section, number 35, number 28, number 1. I think number 1's the one I just put in. Okay, so I'm just going to click number 1. I just want to edit email, and then I'll show you some of the pages I made yesterday for illustration purposes. And so you can, if you're one of those companies, you can get an idea. So same deal, lead capture, lead capture number 6. I'm going to scroll all the way down. All right, always hit Save Changes. You know what? I'm going to leave that the same. I'm going to leave that the same. All right, so I'm just going to go to the next step and edit my text. There you go. This looks like a pretty cool page. Oh, okay. Fill out the form below. That's really cool. Wow, I might have to start using this one. Start making money instantly with high quality resale rights products that you can sell and keep 100% of all the profits. That's awesome. Free report. There you go. So if you want to promote like a book of some kind, I'm not even going to change it. So like with this one, it's not a picture. That's what I was saying. So you can't really change the button with this one. So, but just be aware of that. Sometimes you can change the button because it's a picture. Sometimes you can't, but you can edit this text here easily, just to show you. So you can edit this hovering text too, which is pretty cool. I'm just going to click save and see what it looks like. All right, I'm going to click view your page. Goes to this domain. Every domain's different. There you have it. That looks pretty clean, and that should probably look pretty good on a mobile too. Since this is smaller, it should fit on mobile screens. Now I want to do another test like I did. I want to see if I can edit the background. So I'm just going to go to edit. I'm going to make it like flowers or something. I don't know. It looks like it works. Save changes. And go to this page. I'm going to hit refresh. And there you go. There you go. The background change works. So you can do that for any of these pages. You should be able to fill out or change the... Whoa, did it just get smaller? Should be able to get the... So it's like big at first. All right, right. Then they click it. Then it brings you to the opt-in page. So when you're editing this one, you'd have to go into the source code. And you can edit any of this text as well. You can edit it out, but it's a little bit harder. All right, so I want to show you some examples I did from the other day quickly before my computer laptop dies. All right, so I did an Advocare lead capture page. So if you want to promote Advocare on the single marketing level still, you can use a page like this, how to get in the best shape of your life, customize the background pages or the background picture. Let's go with like Melaleuca, how to discover how to get paid with the world's largest online shopping club, something like that. Let's do a different Melaleuca capture page. Here's another one. All these are fully customizable. Do Terra capture page. Oh, no, that's not right. That's a mess up. That's a mess up. Let's go back to, I made some Juice Plus. I made some Young Living pages here a while ago. Pardon me while I find it here. Oh, here it is. I skipped over it. Juice Plus lead capture. I'm going to hit test the link. All right, so if you wanted to promote, oh wait, no, this is I clicked the wrong page. That's the sales page. Here, Juice Plus lead capture. Juice Plus lead. Discover how to get paid to get healthy. Pretty cool. All right. And then I did one for Young Living lead capture too. You can see that I like lead capture number 2 a lot. It's very easy to change. And then this always is going to go to a sales page, which in another video I'll do that, sales pages. Oh, I also said I was going to show you, so when you click email follow-up campaign to promote your primary business, what they're doing is they're plugging whatever link you provide right here in their emails. So whatever your primary business is, they will promote it. Okay, so you can put in a link to your to sign up for your MLM. You can put in a link within PowerLead system like I did that is like a sales page, but it's promoting like your primary business or whatever it is. So I'll show you an example. So like for mine, it's like promoting my Twitter course, which is like a quick value video, and this link will get plugged in all the follow-up emails. So I'll show you really quickly what that means. But like that's a quick example. So you want to kind of, you can customize a page like this, and then it'll click through to buy or sign up or whatever before just going like straight to a, join me at doTERRA link, which, is not going to work as well as something like this. So this page will work a lot better. All right. So, and how you do that is, you just paste it in right here. And then how you set it up with your lead capture pages is you go back to edit. So I can click edit. All right. I'm going to scroll down. And in step number 3, it's going to ask, do I want to include, PowerLead system autoresponder? It just says send this autoresponder. So I check it, and then it's going to bring me campaigns. So I might want to just promote like an MLM. Like if you're in Advocare or something and you just want to promote your Advocare, you can click this campaign right here called Promote Your Primary. All right, see that right there, Promote Your Primary. It's 16 messages. All right, it's going to send out when they opt in. Hit Save Changes, and voila, there you have it. So I'm going to leave that there today because it's been a long video. If you have any questions about a single one of the templates you've seen today, run it by me. I will dig in. I will take work on it, take action on it, and help you succeed, all right? If you want to start a free trial as well, click that link below today. I will give you my Twitter course if you're active for at least a month, and I'll give you a custom marketing funnel built within PowerLead System using some of the pages that you just saw. So drop me a comment below, check out the links below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.